are telling me the dude with a 1.4 rating is the player of the match? I need to see highlights because that makes no sense. The lowest rated on the field. Even the other goalkeeper at XQC I can't see got higher, bro. Nah, let's see the highlights right now. All right, here we go. You guys gassed this kid up, so let's see if he's actually good. What is he wearing on his ears, bro? He got pillow pets on his ears. He's already getting me mad, bro. He has to make up for it already. Already started on a bad note. Already. Decent save, though. Hold up, yo. Sweeper keeper? I've seen enough. Get this man to Manchester United right now. The courage, dedication, commitment to come to the ball like that, bro. Nah, I know talent when I see it, and that's talent, bro. That's talent. Let's keep watching. Let's keep watching, bro. He's already better than XQC because XQC messed up a goal like that. Yeah, look, same exact shot. Same exact shot. But Sketch saves it. He saves it. That's a proper save, bro. Very proper save. Hold up. Nah, how did he get a 1.8 with the glasses too? Bro, these are proper saves. Aerial winner too? Bro, that's not an easy save getting physical in the box like that. Ow! No, oh, that was the game-winning penalty, right? The save, the game-winning save. He's cold, bro. Nah, he's cold. I'm sorry for disrespecting him. He deserves it. Yeah, I don't care if he let in 9 goals. He was way better than XQC. 1.4 is diabolical. Let me try to contact these people and see if I can fix this. Urgent rating adjustment for Sketch because this 1.4, nah, that's messed up. That's diabolical. At least a 7.2. Sketch, if you ever watched this, know that I doubted you. Know that I thought you were trash because of your rating, and I also thought you were kind of funny looking. But seeing your highlights, bro, I am a changed man. I'm going to try to fix this myself. I'm going to do my part because you deserve it, bro. Let me send this.